Hi, y'all. I'm Lorri with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsey with Always Yarn First.
And this morning we are doing our Sock Yarn Society unboxing for December. So I'm super excited about it, and I can't wait to tell y'all all about it.
I can't wait.
So I'm in love with it. This is our gift to you. And on the back, we have another gift to you. And I think that Jessica said that she wants to start putting a discount code on the back for our Sock Yarn Society users every single month.
Nice.
Yes, because we appreciate you choosing us.
Yeah.
You have a choice, and we're glad you choose us.
All right. Let's get into this beauty.
This is called Slap a Bow on It. And here's why. Because this time of year, we are frantic to get things done. And sometimes it feels like you just slap a bow on it and go.
Yeah.
And so that's kind of what our theme was this month, was that frantic rush.
I love
for
that
the month.
This month's name and last month's name, Give Yourself Grace, was like just how you're feeling this time of year.
Yes, it's exactly how we're feeling this time of year. And that was my goal. And I actually had such a sweet testimonial for that Give Yourself Grace.
Yeah.
I will have to get it to you because it was so sweet. But
right.
Yes, this one, I feel like, we're also busy making our holiday knits to gift, our gift knits, and it seems like we're frantic.
Yeah.
And sometimes it feels like we just slap a bow on it and go, and that's okay.
Yeah.
That's what our goal is,
Yeah.
to say is it's okay to do that. I'm in love with this one.
Well, I love it too because this is obvious. This part is obviously graphite.
It is graphite.
Which, if you've watched for a while, Lorri
It's
and I
the
are
perfect
making
gray.
We are making cardigans.
Don't do that. That implies we're not.
Okay, no, we're technically making it. But
We
have
are.
we touched it recently? No.
I touched mine the other day. I petted it.
Well, yes, of course.
Because it's just there's so many things that we want to knit.
Well, that whole pattern, that's a whole separate video.
You need to rewrite
but
that pattern.
We love this color.
This
is a wonderful,
This is
wonderful
our twinning color. We love
Oh
this
my gosh.
color. And I want to tell you a little bit more about this. So if you're knitting this individually by itself.
Sorry, I'm looking ahead. I can't help it.
It's so good. If you're knitting this individually and you're not putting it in a blanket like I'm doing or Lindsey's doing, that's okay. I am getting ready to write a pattern. I've been writing a lot of patterns lately, but I'm getting ready to write a pattern using my church shawl design, but planned pulling. So this could function as a planned pulling skein of yarn because it's it's 3/4 graphite and 1/4 this. So it'll give you plenty of space that you could do some baubles or something. I am working on, that's probably what I'm going to be doing during my Christmas break, is that I'm going to be working on a pattern for the use of this yarn if you don't want to put it in your blanket.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to do the usual things first. So.
Yes. This month we have Holiday Embrace Herbal Tea. We're kind of trying to put herbals in there for people who cannot do caffeine. I love this one. The cranberries in it. It just feels so warm and soothing. And if you fall in love with this flavor, we carry it in the store. So,
I just saw this one, the full
Yes.
container of it in the back. I'm like, ooh, that one sounds interesting, not knowing I would get some
yes,
to sample.
yes.
Okay, and then if I can do it right.
So a little bit of a festive red, and then again, slap a bow on it.
That is so cute.
I am in love with these.
Okay.
I'm in love with
Now
these.
these are super fun. I like
Yes.
these things because they're not usually in the, like, these are like totally new, something we don't usually see in the box. So I guess I should show this first.
So I wrote a pattern. Oh, I wish I had the little sock that I made. There's a picture of it on the pattern. But I designed this little sock to fit this little key ring.
Cute.
And I love it. You can.
It says AYC on it.
I also will tell you that we're going to be putting kits together of the little blockers and a little mini skein of yarn and the pattern. So we will sell those. We'll be selling those.
And it's so great.
As a set.
You know, people are doing advent making now. But even with that, there's only a few advent patterns that you really use the whole 20 grams. You could easily make these.
Oh, you probably only need 10 yards.
I am in love with this one.
Because again, I'm fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. We're going to be fine. Slap a bow on it and let's go. That's the theme of this box.
That's my daughter's motto all year long.
I'm fine. It's fine.
I have a
Everything's
sticker
fine.
for her that's on her laptop like this.
That's how I have been feeling this month and last month. And so I did let it roll over into, because I'm thinking some of y'all are feeling the same way.
Yeah, I don't celebrate the holidays, but I definitely just like pick up the vibe of chaotic energy. And even if you don't celebrate the holidays, if you buy Advents, like some people overbuy, and then I'm watching these podcasts that like, I feel like I have to make all the things. And so I'm like, calm down.
That's the hectic,
yeah, it's just a
rushed
vibe
feeling of the month.
Yep.
And I really wanted to let people know it's okay
Yeah.
to take care of you. It's
Yeah.
okay to say, I'm fine, everything's fine.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay to slap a bow on it and go. You do you. And self-preservation is key. And so indulge and make yourself a teeny little sock.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
I mean, and how cute this would be
It's
just
so
to make
cute.
the little sock, and you can make a little cord and then tie it onto your package if you're gifting. So, I mean, there's all kinds
You
of things.
could even do, if you have like a sweater size bag,
I have to go get it. It's so cute.
you could even
I
do
don't
this
really
as
do
a
this.
zip pull on like a sweater bag. How cute would that be with like a little sock?
But look, they are
Oh my goodness.
so cute.
That is adorable.
And this one, I use self-striping yarn,
yeah,
and it's precious.
yeah,
And this was Jessica's wedding colors from Not L Fibers. And then I decided to add a little white
is
heel
so
to it.
cute.
Y'all, let me tell you something. On this pattern, you're not going to be doing a Kitchener heel or toe.
excellent. I'm gonna have
So,
to make one of those for
Also,
sure.
it's a forethought heel. So if you've never done that, there's picture tutorials in the pattern to help you. So you get to expand your skill set as well. So it's super exciting.
I love this. This is a fun box this month.
Yes, I love it too. It made my heart so happy. I love it.
All right, should we talk blanket?
Yes, look how cute they are.
You're so funny.
I love all of them.
All right, it's the last month of our make along for this year, which is, oh my goodness, nothing but double.
Yes,
I got it.
Nothing but double.
So here is my blanket, Chevron
So
Fade.
pretty.
This is minus last month's, which is a twisted mess right here.
Oh my gosh, this color.
And
y'all.
here is November. So I just like to show the whole blanket because you look at the, I mean, there's no way you can hold this where it's flat. It just natural. It is crochet. It is a free pattern. I will have the link below to my pattern I used. But this is what it will look like. So it looks nice. And so I'm excited to put this last color in and then get it finished.
Lindsey is so much of an overachiever because mine is not anywhere
Well,
near.
yours is like full blanket. Like last year we were both doing like full blankets. Well, this one is, I mean, I can make the crochet chevron in one setting. So, I mean, I knew
can't.
that, but I knew that I wanted this to go on the end of my bed as a decorative piece.
Yes.
So, I kind of knew what I was in for.
So I have only gotten to the July. That was bad grammar. This is where I'm at. And I will tell you that, so this is what it looks like. Just so you know, it's going to be a lengthwise blanket. So we're creating the width, and this is the length. So that's why it's taking so long, is because we're actually working the opposite of it. But the pattern is called Wave to the Fans. And so that's where you get the wave.
And it will be out next month. Before y'all comment.
It is. I wrote this pattern, and it is going to be out next month. So in January, it's going to be live. So you can
make your next year blanket with this pattern.
Yes. And I actually may end up doing that with mine, my Sock Yarn Society again, because I love it so much. This is so fun. But I will tell you, I got to this section here, this July colorway, and it is a beautiful colorway. This is it right here. It's beautiful. But I feel like it's quite dark next to You Glow Girl. So I am sprinkling in, so I'm dropping one strand, and I'm carrying one strand of You Glow Girl about every third row to kind of meld it in a little bit more, just so that it looks a little more like it belongs. But the colors
do get darker too. So
they do. Because that's what I want is, because I had the luxury of knowing I was knitting this, I wanted this to feel light to dark.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm going with it. But the next color is not, this was actually, y'all wouldn't even believe how dark this color was when I was dyeing it. And then we rinsed it and it dried, and I was devastated that it was so light. But it's going next to this one, which is
I have mine out of order.
And that's okay. But it's so they go together, because I'm picking up the purples. And I'm picking up the purples from You Glow Girl. So it's going to look like this. But this is quite dark for me. So that's what I'm doing. But I'm super excited about January.
Well, hold on. Before we do that.
Oh, okay.
We did pull a prize winner for the Nothing But Double finished objects. Someone
finished something completely. We're so excited.
And I'm even more excited because it was randomly done, but it was Alley Cat 47, who is my friend Allison.
I love it.
Who is the one who helped me with my blanket on top of finishing her own. So she will get a prize package from us.
Yes, I'm so excited. Congratulations, Allison.
We do love seeing all your stuff, though, finished or not finished. We love seeing what you're doing. And so with the hashtag next year.
The hashtag next year is going to be Sock Yarn Society 2024.
Yep. So no matter what project you're making, please use that hashtag so we can see it.
Yes. I'm going to be most likely, I am going to do a blanket. But Jessica did a cardigan. She's doing a Stephen West cardigan. What's the name of that? Melting Marl? Cardigan?
No, that was the blanket you were about to make and didn't like.
No, what was do you remember the sweater that she's doing? She's doing a sweater with hers, which I love the idea of. If I find out,
I'll put the link below.
Yes, I love the idea of that, but I also really love the luxurious feel of the blanket. And so I'm probably going to do that. But can we talk about the January box?
Yes, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to do with my box.
Okay. Oh, go ahead.
Well, so no, go ahead and talk about what it is first.
Okay.
Why I'm changing it up next year.
So I want to tell y'all about next year's going to have a change to it, and for the good, because some people have 24 speckled skeins of yarn of one that they don't know what to do with. So I have decided to help everybody along and to enhance their stashes and make them usable, that it's going to be a year of tonals. And I am so excited about it because nobody has enough tonals in their stash.
No, true.
Everyone has a ton of speckles. And while speckles are super fun, tonals make those speckles shine.
Yeah.
So a year of tonals.
Which is awesome.
I love it.
So when I was thinking about if I wanted to do another blanket, I told Lorri, I'm like, I just don't know if I want another blanket like that. So I also have been designing a lot of things lately, and I'm currently having testers design my first sock pattern.
Yes.
And I've kind of got my sock mojo back, and
Yeah.
I've really been wanting to do more socks for some reason.
I think that's great because then you have tonals to do your socks.
Exactly.
Or you have speckles and a tonal for heel, toes, and cuffs.
Yeah, and so I
It
am actually
expands.
going to change the base I'm getting next year. I am not going to get sparkle. I am
What?
going to get high twist. And I'm planning on making socks. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean I'll commit to making a pair of socks each month because I want to use it for design.
Yes.
That way, if I design a pattern I like, on Lorri's yarn, then, she could market it here and potentially could be in the box. Or, I can easily guide you to Lorri's yarn where you can pick up some for yourself and make the
Yes.
socks.
Yes.
So that's what I'm doing. I am making a blanket next year, but I'm going to be using my scraps, and I probably will be
Yes.
making Lorri's pattern for that.
Yes. I'm excited about it. I'm thrilled to death. I've had so many people, and thank you to
Oh my
everyone
gosh.
who's reached out and asked me when they can get my pattern.
Every time I post this video, when is the pattern? I can't find the pattern. I'm like, it's coming. I promise.
So yummy.
It's coming, y'all.
It's so snuggly. I love it. I am going to be doing mine on Sparkle again because Sparkle is like the most amazing ever.
It is my favorite.
Yes.
I
I'm
just
happy.
kind of want to try the high twist for socks. I think it'll
High
be really
twist
good.
is lovely for socks.
Yeah.
Absolutely lovely
So.
for socks. So I'm glad.
Yeah.
Well, you guys, we're so happy that we got to spend some time
Yeah.
with y'all. And thank you so much for watching us unbox the December 2023 box.
Mm-hmm.
And we are looking forward to seeing you again in 2024.
Bye.
Bye.